Ride a bull, ride a bull. Help him, everybody, help him.
A brisk Pendleton morning when we woke up, had the coffee, and just felt really good about the day. Had a good draw that hadn't really been ridden a whole lot, but I was happy to have him. Talk to Jeff Davis, a 4-star rodeo beforehand, and he said, Sage, he really bucks. They don't ride him a whole lot, but he should fit you. And sure enough.
Big high jumps, big fake, slinging his head.
Really bucked, kind of faked right, went left, and that's his MO. That's kind of what he does every time, and he felt really smooth. He was bucking really hard, and had a good get off and got out of there.
Scoreboard says 90 and a half. And sticks the landing. How you liking the champion of the world, Pendleton? 174.5 points on 2 rides. 2019 winner, the Pendleton Round-Up, Sage Steele Kimzey.
The victory lap's just exhilarating. I don't know what other word to put to it. It's one thing to win a big rodeo, but it's a whole other thing, to have X amount of thousand people on their feet cheering for you. Kick a horse around the arena as fast as he'll go. It's a pretty special feeling, no doubt. We're in Pendleton and let her buck.